So with the marketing committee is basically responsible for creating the brand of the council, everything from the logo to the website to creating sort of standardized templates for communications and that sort of thing. We also set up the infrastructure to maintain our data for the organization. So we have a web portal right now for the board's data, and one of the things that we're working on for the next years is setting up a portal for each one of the committees. And then we also want to have a portal where all the membership can sign in and see the home pages of each one of the committees and can access the work product and get an update as to the progress. So it's quite a bit of work, and right now we're three people: myself, Jerry, who's our part-time employee, and Ian Trudeau. The other major activity that we do as a group is we put on these sessions. So the board is also actively involved with that, assisting, lending their contact lists and reaching out to people in all the local areas. But there's a lot of work that goes on behind the scenes to, book the events, find the speakers, make sure there's cohesion with the event, and then of course marketing it. So, anyways, we're definitely, if anyone wants to get involved with any of that, if you have an interest in it, come see me. We'd love to have some help. One of the things that we're likely going to be doing different regarding planning these sessions in the future is trying to set up a local committee to work in the local area. So if you're from Saskatchewan or Winnipeg or know someone out there in Newfoundland, these are the areas that we're thinking about going next before we start back into our cycle with the other areas. If you know anyone out there that might be interested in helping with planning the local event, lending their contact lists, reaching out, helping chair the event, come see me. That's actually, yeah. This is all GC committee stuff here. Oh, it's the green one. It's the green button. Okay, so I think I covered that. Those are the members. So just a short recap on the past year. We've done, I think, eight or nine events now. Our AGM last year was in Ottawa, pretty good attendance for Ottawa, 65 people. Then we went to Calgary, very good attendance out there, 88 people. Halifax was 45, which is kind of what we expected for that area. And Toronto, that's the actual number today. So, the events are growing in popularity, and they've been a really great driver for reaching out to the local industry and getting people involved with the council. This year we've introduced obviously the trade show aspect to it and gotten the vendors involved, and we're opening up this these fast sessions for the vendors to talk about their products, which I think is a very important thing to incorporate because we're all using those and we want to keep on top of the new technologies and developments there. Our mailing list has grown, and the other things that we're doing actively to try to reach out and reach everyone in the industry is taking advantage of LinkedIn, Facebook, MySpace. One of the things that we've got planned for the near future is setting up a Google Plus page where we can get everyone contributing towards sort of a web portal to put information up. So the next events, this is subject to board approval, but we're thinking Newfoundland. We've been talking to the construction associations out there, and they're interested in us coming out that direction. Winnipeg, Saskatoon, and then Edmonton would be our sort of cycle back into the cities to have another event. That's pretty much it. So again, if you're interested in contributing, there's lots of work to do. It's the public face of the entity, and we need help. So come see me.